Hi guys, Maria here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record a Loom video. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. The first thing we're going to do is to sign in. So in case you don't have an account, you would go ahead and sign up for free. But I have an account, so I'm just simply going to click sign in with Google. I'm going to select my account and do all the fun process. All right, once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on new video. And here you're going to select record a video in case you want to do it live with your computer camera. And you can also upload a normal video. So I'm going to click on record video. Now here you have to give your computer access to your camera and to your microphone. So I'm going to say allow while visiting the site. So before you start recording, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you see a small little bubble with your face right here. You can also move it somewhere else in case you want to. You can also move this icon and you will see right here that your camera is on. You will also make sure that your computer microphone is working. As you can see, the volume is rising. That means that my computer is listening to me. And right here, you're going to select what you want to record. So for example, you can select your screen if that's what you wish to do. If you want to select just a window from your screen, you can also do that. Or if you only want to record your camera, you can also select camera, and what it would do is simply record your face and then leave it as a normal video. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording. Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channels. We post videos every single day to help you navigate the internet, technology, and AI. So after my video is done, I'm going to click on pause right here. And after I pause it, I'm going to click right here again to finish my video. And that's it, you guys. Now I have my video ready to go. I can share it with someone by clicking right here and copying the link. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Bye.